Are you looking to deliver bite-sized learning resources? Are you planning to implement e-learning in your organization? Join Training Challenges and E-Learning Solutions Summit 2018 to decode how top organizations are leveraging technology to address training challenges and offer solutions that engage the modern employee. This one-day interactive workshop will focus on understanding the enabling and restraining factors in e-learning implementation, leveraging technology for training implementation, demystifying the LMS, shifting from one to another, or taking the existing one to a higher level, designing learner-centric and engaging e-learning, using microlearning to help sustain employees with demanding work schedules, and solving real-life training challenges. If you are expecting a regular conference where the speaker is the sage on the stage, you're in for a pleasant surprise. This summit is highly collaborative and is facilitated by experts who will guide you through discussions, case study presentations, and hands-on activities. We are coming to your city, so enroll now.